Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How are you doing? On a good, on a keep safe. Make sure not keep safe, guys. Serious time, this corona is no joke. It's still a happen, believe me. Anyways, today I'm going to be making a simple homemade ice cream. Okay, these are ingredients you'll probably have in your home too, so you can just go and look if you want to try this. So I'm using some heavy whipping cream here, sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt, and of course my mixer, my hand mixer I'm using. Okay guys, so this is a pint of heavy whipping cream. Okay, so I'm just going to pour it in, all of it. Alright, so I'm going to just beat this till it's fluffy. So we're back, guys. Just want to show you where we're at. See? Realize it's not falling off the adhesive. We're not looking to make butter here. We're trying to make ice cream, okay? Okay, nice. See that? Okay. So I'm adding in my vanilla. Of course, it's vanilla ice cream, so, and my little pinch of salt. Not even half a teaspoon. Okay, it's vanilla ice cream, guys, so we have to add. And this is a tin of sweetened milk. Trying to get everything out here. Okay. Guys, if you have the kids home, you know, in the summer or even on the weekend, they're not going to school, you know, you can do something like this. You and them, they join you in the kitchen. This will be fun for them too. Okay, I'm just kind of folding this in, the ingredients in, the vanilla, the salt, and the milk. You could also go ahead and finish mixing it with the mixer, the hand mixer, okay? Can't tell me something I have ice cream in my kitchen, you know. Okay. And guys, if you want to make rum and raisin, just go right ahead and incorporate your rum and your raisins. I want vanilla today, so that's why I'm doing this. So this is my loaf pan that was freezing too. So I'm going to put in my freezer to form this. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Ooh, very nice. Guys, you probably, like I said, have these in your home already. You don't have to go buy it. Okay. I'm going to put this in my freezer, guys, for about 6 hours. Or you can do it longer, overnight if you want to. Alrighty. This is very nice. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back. This is my ice cream, my homemade ice cream that I made. Okay. See how smooth that is, guys? Very smooth and creamy. Okay guys, so you can do it too. Alright, it's very simple. You probably have all of these ingredients already in your cupboard, your fridge and all about. You know, it's just whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, a little vanilla and a tips of salt. That's it, guys. That's all it takes to make my ice cream. Okay, hope you like, guys. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment box, and if you tried it, let me know as well. Okay, so if you don't have any ice cream in the home, you don't have to worry. You just do it in your kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Be safe now. Alright.